Good morning students, myself Bhavesh Pakchandani. Today we are going to discuss another chapter of accounts, that is company final account, given in part 2 chapter number 3. The name of chapter is company final account. Final accounts, which we have already studied in your 11th standard and 12th standard part 1, that was a final account of proprietorship as well as final account of partnership firm. Now we are going to study about the final account which is prepared by the companies. In your previous final account, you were preparing mainly 3 accounts. First account was a trading account, second account was profit and loss account, and third account was a balance sheet. Actually, balance sheet, it is a statement, it is not actually an account. So these are the 3 things which we used to prepare in our regular final accounts. Now we are going to start with the company final account. In this company final account, we are supposed to prepare mainly 2 statements. First statement is of profit and loss and another statement is of balance sheet. In profit and loss, it is a combination of trading account as well as profit and loss account. If you remember, in trading account we used to record all the transactions of goods as well as the expenses related to goods. Sales, purchase, all these items were recorded in trading account, and in profit and loss account all the incomes and expenses were recorded in our previous final account. Here profit and loss statement is a combination of both these accounts, that is trading account as well as profit and loss account. It is a combination of both these accounts. From this profit and loss statement, we would arrive at a profit before tax. At the end, we are going to deduct the provision for tax, and at last we will be getting the profit after tax, which we can also say like net profit of the company. This will be prepared in a proper statement, will be given to you in the next PDFs. Next statement is a balance sheet. The balance sheet which we used to prepare in our last standards was a horizontal balance sheet in which there were 4 columns. First column was liability, second column was amount, then again assets, and then again an amount. That was called a horizontal balance sheet. Now the balance sheet which is prepared by the companies is called a vertical balance sheet. Vertical balance sheet will be prepared in a format like first column will be particulars, second will be note number, and another 2 columns will be for amount. In this balance sheet, the whole balance sheet is divided into 2 parts. First part is called equity and liability, and second part is called assets. Equity and liabilities are again divided into 3 subheadings. In that, first subheading is a shareholders fund, second subheading is a non-current liability, and third heading is a current liability. These are the divisions of equity and liability side. The another part of balance sheet is called an asset part. This asset will be again divided into 2 parts. First will be non-current asset and second will be current assets. Which items are to be included under which head, that has been explained in your textbook in a very detailed format, for which page numbers and other details will be given to you as follows. This balance sheet is called vertical balance sheet because the format is different as compared to our previous balance sheet. In this balance sheet, we will be tallying the balance sheet, means the total of balance sheet will be done in a vertical way. Vertical way means in the above section we will be making total of equity and liability, and in the below section we will be making the total of assets. So like this we are going to make the total of balance sheet. The profit which was arrived from our profit and loss statement is transferred to the balance sheet in the another head, that is shareholders fund. As soon as this is a profit and profit is distributed to the shareholders, so it will be given a second effect in the shareholders fund in the part of reserves and surplus. After transferring this, we are going to tally our whole balance sheet. For your information, this whole sum will be asked for your board examinations, in which these two statements are prepared. First is profit and loss statement and a balance sheet. This will be asked for a 11 marks question, which is having highest weightage of all the chapters, or I would say all the subjects. Okay, thank you.